Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. My name is Kseny and today I'm gonna guide you through a short breathing sequence to help you settle a busy mind, to help you ground the energy and feel more centered and present in your body. But before we begin, if you like longer routines or want to join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find more information in the description below. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Find a comfortable place for you to sit. You can sit on the edge of a chair or your bed. You can sit on the floor, just like I'm sitting down, or you can even do this routine standing up. Make sure you feel comfortable and relaxed in your body. If you're sitting down, keep your spine nice and straight. Release the back of the neck and mentally reach upward through the crown of the head. Have that vertical line coming down right at the center of your body. We're going to start by rubbing the hands together. To bring the energy and warmth through the hands. Then place one hand on top of your chest and another one over your navel. Shoulders relax. Soften your entire body. First, we're going to simply observe our breath. Inhale into your abdomen. I want you to relax the abdominal muscles and let it expand. Then exhale softly, pulling the belly in. Breathe in into your abdomen. Breathe out, pulling the belly in. Breathe in, focusing your attention on the movement of your belly. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your only job is just observe your breathing. Allow your belly to move freely. Keeping your chest nice and relaxed. Let your breath travel all the way down to your abdomen. Then let it escape safely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue the breathing pattern. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your breath nice and gentle. Let your breath travel all the way down to your abdomen. And then back up. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Very good. Keep the abdominal muscles nice and relaxed. Next, we're going to shift our attention to the chest. I want you to inhale and feel your chest lift and expand. On the exhale, feel the chest relaxing down. Breathe in into your chest. Exhale softly. Notice what happened. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed in your body. Keep your breath slow and gentle. Simply enjoying the sound of your own breath. Exhale, let your chest collapse and relax completely. Very good. Next, move your hands to the ribcage. You can grab yourself like this, or you can simply rest, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed. On an inhale, as you're sending your breath down into your abdomen, I want you to continue expanding into your ribcage. Notice if you feel that expansion. Don't worry if you don't. Sometimes it takes a little practice. Stay relaxed, stay natural, stay soft. Exhale quickly to empty your lungs. Then on an inhale, sending your breath all the way down. Continue to the ribcage, filling up the entire cavity with your breath. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Don't worry if you don't feel the movement. It's still happening. Stay relaxed and present on your breath. Just breathe. Trying to send your breath all the way down to the lower lungs. Let your lungs expand. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one here. Full breath in. Exhale. Very good. Let your hands relax on top of your knees. Relax your abdominal muscles. No tension in your body. And I want you to stay aware and breathe as you usually would breathe. And notice the difference. When you take a deeper breath into your lungs, when you take a more efficient breath, notice how you feel, your mental state. Very good. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this short break. Enjoy this time with your breath, with yourself. I hope you feel a little calmer and a lot more present. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel to support the work I do and enjoy free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom and practice longer routines, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.